Hi there, my name is Daoud Merkel, and I'm the co-founder of a branding and web design agency called Doing Good. And we stumbled across your website while doing some research for another client of ours who has an allergy clinic as well. And when we looked at your site, we noticed that there's some areas that you could use some improvement. And so we wanted to create this short video and reach out to you and just share what those areas are. Now, this isn't something I should say it this way. This is something we actually do regularly. Is whenever we find a website within our health and wellness niche that we feel could use some improvement, we'll do a short video like this and reach out to you with the idea that this video will be helpful to you. And so I want to just take a few minutes here and point out some areas where I feel you could use some help. Um, Now, as I look through the site, it's really nice to have these maps and being able to click through and um, have the opportunity to find out where your offices are. That's a good piece. The areas that you could really use some improvement is just in general, this whole top section. It's odd to me that I can click on the words, but I can't click on the whole picture. From a web specific point of view, people expect to be able to click anywhere. They expect to be able to tap anywhere. And you see this throughout this whole section of the homepage. The other interesting thing with this is if I go and look, this is a mobile emulator. If I go and look at your site on mobile, these are way too small to use. I can't tap on them. Even if we get to an iPad mini, the text doesn't show, or the text does show, I guess now. It didn't come up before. But it's so small and it's so out of alignment, there's no way I could really tap on it and get any value. So your mobile experience is actually fairly poor. Sorry to put it that way, but it is. Another real big missed opportunity is here. It's great to list these areas that your practice helps your patients, but it'd be really great to have some buttons. I'm never going to think to tap on or click on these icons. Same thing here with mobile. I may tap on the icon, probably not. What I'm really expecting to see as a user is I'm expecting to see some buttons, so it directs me clearly on what I should be doing next. Also, testimonials. I'm going to guess you guys are using a template. I didn't look at your code for this, honestly, but it looks like you're using a template of some sort. You should have testimonials listed here. You should have not click through to what people are saying. Tell me what people are saying right on my homepage. It creates what's called social proof, and it proves that you guys can deliver what you really say you can. So that would be an area that I'd suggest updating as well. And your blogs. The fact that you haven't written a blog post in a couple of years is no big deal. Let's just not promote that. Let's take out the dates. And again, if this was a template, it might be difficult to do that for you or your team. Something easy for us is to remove these dates and rebrand your business in another way. Um, we really kind of feel when I went to your internal pages just briefly, again, just I this doesn't look like you'd expect to read text. Again, guessing that you're using a template, maybe using uh, what's called a template builder. Um, don't need to get into the technical details of that. Uh, Also, this phone number. It would be really nice if this phone number was clickable or tappable so that if I'm on my phone, whoops, didn't mean to click that. If I'm on my phone and tap this, it's going to actually call me, or it's going to call, sorry, it's going to call your office as opposed to just being here so that I have to copy if I'm in my phone. I have to highlight it, I have to copy it, I have to paste it, I have to move over to my phone app and then call you from there rather than just tapping it. You can see here, by the way, if you click on call us, if I was on my phone, it would literally just ask me if I want to make the phone call. So you see that it's different here. And if we go down, for instance, to a phone number here, same thing. You can click that and we'll call directly. So there's another missed opportunity where you could be serving your patients and more importantly, your potential new patients in a better way. And so we just feel there's a number of other things we could talk about. More than anything is there's many areas for improvement here, both with your brand. Branding isn't just how your website or your logo looks, it's also what you're communicating. And what I'm missing is myself. If I was a potential patient, I'm missing that on your website. I don't really know how your office connects to my needs. And that's something that we could definitely help you improve on. I'm going to stop here. There's a number of things that I've given you. We do this as a video so that you can go back and review it a number of times. Um, but the great news about all this is that these things can be fixed. It's just finding the right people to help you optimize what your desired needs are connected to what your patients and new patients wants are. And that's what we do actually is we help organize your brand and really optimize your brand and create a website that you can really use to to build your practice with. So what's next is you're welcome to contact us. If we don't hear back from you in a couple of days, what we'll do is reach out to you as well and see if you have any questions about the video, how we can help you, how we can answer things. No pressure. If if you guys want to discuss, if you just want to get answers to your questions, happy to do that. If you want to discuss how we could move forward and help you create a better website, create a better web experience for your patients, we can do that as well. So once again, my name is Dawood Miracle. I'm the brand and web developer at Doing Good, which is our branding and web design agency. In a nutshell, what we do is that we build thriving brands with remarkable websites to help you get more of the patients that you want. So we'd love to add you to our list of people we've helped grow their health business online, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks and enjoy your afternoon.